Ire. Well, go on. Welcome to Caribbean Blend. And today, as you can see, I'm in a festive mood. So I'm going to show you how to make Jamaican rum punch. Right? So you need some Appleton, Wray and Nephew, strawberry syrup, some peach mango fruit punch, and some lemon and a peach. All right? Fresh peach. Okay? So those are your main ingredients to make Caribbean style rum punch. You'll need a big mixing bowl or you'll need a pitcher to mix it in, whatever you choose. First, you want to add some water to your container, all right? Wherever you're going to be mixing it in. Then you're going to add the syrup, sweeten to your liking, because the syrup is sweet. So you don't want to put too much. So as you pour it, taste and add it, add your sweetening the way you want it to be sweet, all right? Next, we're going to put the lemon to give it that zing. A little bit sweet, a little bit sour. All right, just like Jamaicans. We're a little bit sweet and a little bit sour. We're about a little bit spicy and everything nice, right? Next, you can't have rum punch without the Wray and Nephew rum, the Overproof rum. You hear the song? I'm drinking rum. But we're not drinking a Red Bull, we are drinking fruit punch. All right? So you want to put the Wray and Nephew rum to your taste, right? Don't put too much now because you don't want to overdo it. Right? As you can see here, I think I put like 2 shot glass of it. Small shot glass. Then I'm going to add the Appleton, right? A little dark liquor. You see it? This is another good choice also. Pick yourself up one. All right? Drink responsibly. Okay? If you notice, me not overdo it. I put just enough because I don't want to overdo it. Right? But I want it nice and sweet. Next, I'm going to add my peach and mango flavor punch. All right? This now is going to blend in the flavor and give it that nice fruity taste. Okay? And then we're going to stir. Stir, blend. Caribbean blend. Okay? Next, get my glass. And now I'm going to pour some in the glass and fix it up proper. I did went ahead and taste it and it was good for my tasting. So now I'm about to dress it up a little bit. Get my little bit of creativity on. Rum punch is a nice drink to enjoy in the summertime. Also, rum punch, you can save on rum punch if you're having an event, if you're having some friends over. You could just mix a big pitcher of this and put it out, and people can just come and serve themselves instead of buying individual bottle of drinks, right? You can go ahead and make something like this. Remember, drink responsibly. And if you even want to make this without the alcohol, you can. Just use the other ingredients and use some kind of different substitute. You can play around with it. But this is my recipe for Jamaican rum punch, Caribbean blend style. You understand? Go ahead and try it. It's the summertime. Get your drink on, get your tipsy on, and if you make it and you like it, please leave me a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and share. And I will catch you on the next video. I have some special recipes coming up this summer. Don't miss out, all right? Make sure you're subscribed so you get and turn on your notification bell so that when I put up a new video, you guys will get the notification and you can support me. Thank you. Have a blessed day. See ya.